Hello everyone, welcome to Study Time. In this video, we are going to see Class 4 Maths Chapter 8 Carts and Wheels. We are going to discuss the basic of this chapter, and we'll also be discussing the textbook solutions and explanations. I have also made some activity for you. Let's get into the chapter now. Carts and Wheels. We all know that basic shapes are rectangle, square, triangle, circle. These are the basic shapes. In this we are going to see circle in particular in this chapter. That's why the chapter name is Carts and Wheels. We are going to see about the circle in this chapter. Can you all see the objects around you and tell me which are in this shape? Yes, it is the clock. Next you can see puppet, chapati, dosa. Then coins, it can be a 5 rupee coin, 10 rupee coin, then bangle. You can also see bottle cap, tumblers, and biscuits. Or these are the objects around us which are in circle shape. Next, we are going to see the parts of a circle. What are the parts of a circle? Radius, sector, segment, arc, tangent, chord, circumference, diameter. Now let's discuss in depth about these parts. What is the circumference? The outer boundary, you can see, is it? That is the circumference of the circle. See, this outer part is circumference. Next, this middle point of the circle, this O, I have named it as O. That is the center of the circle. What is the radius? The distance between the center point O and any point on the circle. It can be here, it can be here, it can be here. Any point on the circle. This can be a radius, this can be radius. Any point on the circle is radius. The singular form of radius is radii. You can draw many radii on a circle. There are many radii on a circle. Next, we are going to see about diameter. The line segment joining the 2 points of the circumference passing through the center. The diameter should pass through the center. It can be of any point on the circumference, and it should pass through the center. This is called as diameter. Similarly, a circle can have many diameters. Next, we are going to see chord. The line segment joining the 2 points of the circumference is called as chord. So here this is O, center point. This chord need not pass through the center. The difference between chord and the diameter is the chord need not pass through the center. It can be any point joining, any line segment joining 2 points of the circumference. Next, arc of a circle. So this part is arc of a circle. These are the main parts that you have to know in circle. Next, we are going to see the relationship between radius and diameter, or radii of equivalent length. So any radii you can take that is equal in length. If a circle has 5 cm radii, it is equal in length throughout the circle. Diameter is the longest chord in the circle. Radius equal to half of diameter. See, this is radius, this is diameter. Suppose if radius is 2, diameter is 4. Radius is half of diameter. Diameter is twice that of radius. Same way, here it is 2 into radius is equal to diameter. This is the relationship between diameter and radius. When radius is given, you can find the diameter. When diameter is given, you can find the radius. Next, let us draw a circle with compass radius 5 cm. So you can take a compass and draw a 5 cm radius circle. So here you should name like the center point is O, and this is radius, and this is diameter. You can write the radius measurement and diameter measurement here. OA is radius 5 centimeter and BC is 10 centimeter. Let's see here. Here one person is saying, hey, see how big the wheel is. I have never seen a wheel like this. You must have seen many such round things around you. List some more in your notebook. So we already saw these are the circle objects around us. It is clock, chapati or dosa, coins, bangle, biscuit. You can write bottle cap, tumbler. Next, round bangle. Have you ever gone to a bangle shop? You can write yes or no. With whom you have gone, you can write. I cannot wear these bangles. These are too small. So after going to a bangle shop, this girl is checking which suits for her. So this one is small one and this is the biggest one. She is a small girl. Obviously, this will suit her. So guess which of these bangles is of your size? You can try checking this with many bangle sizes, and you can choose one. The smallest bangle is of my size. Next we are going to do one bangle with wire. Shall we all do this, kids? Now let's make a bangle with a wire. You can take any small wire. You can measure the length and you can tie a knot to make a bangle. Will you all do this, kids, for your hands? So this is a simple activity. Yes. We saw how to make a bangle with a wire. Take a wire and make a bangle for yourself. Can your teacher wear this bangle? No, she cannot wear this bangle. A bangle can be used to trace a circle. What are the other things around you that you can use to trace a circle? You can write what are the other things that you can trace for a circle. It can be a coin, bottle cap, glass, plate, etc. Now, shall we all trace the objects, these objects which we saw? Yes. For this, you need the following objects. Next, we are going to trace the different objects. I have taken a cap, coin, tumbler, bangle. You can trace different objects like this. So first, hold the particular object. You can see the picture here. So try making a circle carefully by tracing the object. So next I'm going to make a circle with a coin, then with a tumbler. So you can also make tracing like this with different objects around you. Circle. So which one is biggest? Tumbler is biggest and coin is the smallest one. So trace a circle with the help of this. We saw how to trace a bangle, tumbler, bottle cap. Can you tell which thing makes the smallest circle? So we saw it is coin. From the objects we took, it is coin. Which thing makes the biggest circle here? Here in this tumbler. You can check this picture for reference. Next, games with circles. Children are playing some games. Here you can see they are playing in a circle. Here they have made a circle and they are playing games. Do you play these games? You can write yes or no. Which song do you sing when you play these? Some people might sing Ring a Ring a Roses, Rain Rain Go Away. So you can also play these games in your school. Why do we make a circle in each of these games? What if a rectangle was made? Discuss. Because a circle gives the correct form. If it is a rectangle, you cannot measure it from the center. So if it is circle, the distance between the center point and around the circumference will be same. So that's why we make a circle for these games. Think of some other games you play by making circles. It can be of musical chair race, ringer ringer roses, etc. You can write some other games names which you know. Next, making a circle. So Naina, Chipu and Ariba want to play a game. They want to make a big circle on the ground, but they cannot make it by tracing. So Ariba tries to draw a circle with a stick. So see, they were all making a circle with a stick. So simply they were all drawing a rough circle. Chipu and Naina, it does not look like a circle at all. Ariba told that, okay, why don't both of you try? So Chipu and Naina both make circles on the ground. So shall we all make a circle? Yes. So when you try a circle on the floor, it will be something like this, irregular shape. You can also draw a circle on your notebook using a pencil. You can draw a circle on the floor with a chalk, and you can also draw the same circle in your notebook. Look at the circles drawn by your friends. Who has drawn the best circle? So you can discuss who has drawn the best circle among your friends. Making a circle with a rope. So Ariba decided to use nails and a thread to make a circle on the ground. She took a thin rope and tied nails on both ends of the rope. Then she made a circle with the help of her friend. Look at the picture, they were making a circle. Can you also make a circle with a rope and nails like Ariba? Yes. Shall we all make? Kids, bring one rope and nail. I'll show you how to make a circle with rope and nail. You can also try it with me. Now let's make a circle with nail and rope. Take a nail and rope. You can fix the nail on a particular point, that is a center, and you can draw a circle like this. So you can draw on a flat circle. You will be getting a circle like this. Next, we are going to see the activity for small groups. Do the activity in small groups. Each group should take a rope of different length. See the circles made by each person. Next, we are going to make a circle with rope. I have taken 3 ropes, one with 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter and 5 centimeter. So this is how you should make a circle with a rope, given rope. So the first one is 15 centimeter, 10 centimeter, 5 centimeter. So which one is the biggest one? You can guess. Obviously it is the A is the biggest one, and the C is the smallest one. So next we are going to discuss the questions given here. Here you can see A, B, C made circles with the rope. Which group made the smallest circle? So smallest circle is made by C here. How long was their rope? Their rope was 5 centimeter. Does a longer rope make a bigger circle? Yes. Can you say why? Because the circumference will be more. Longer rope acts as a bigger radius, so circle made by the longest rope was also biggest. The length of rope you used is equal to the length of the radius of the circle. So can we check what was the radius of the smallest circle? So here you can check the radius. Keep the circle, keep the scale. This is the scale and you're going to keep it on the center. Measure the radius. It is 1 centimeter. Next, draw the radius of this bangle using a ruler. Measure the length of the radius. See, by ruler you can measure the length of the radius. It is 2 centimeter. Now see what your friends have drawn. Discuss the length of the radius measured by them. So drawn by them. So you can check whether it is same as yours or not. Draw the radius of these circles. Guess which circle has the longer radius. Obviously, bigger circle has the longer radius. How to draw the radius for these circles? What you have to do is you have to draw a line from the center point O to the circumference to make radius for these circles. Next, measure the radius of both the circles with the ruler. We already measured that previously. The same we are going to measure. Length of their radius. Write the length of the radius. Radius of that green circle is 1 centimeter and a radius of blue circle is 2 centimeter. Next, we are going to see the different types of wheels. Find out. Measure the radius of the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart. You can use a thread or a measuring tape to measure the radius of these wheels. See, suppose if this is a wheel of a bicycle, this is a wheel of a bullock cart. From the center, you're going to take a thread and measure, or you can use a measuring tape. So these are the wheels of bicycle and wheels of bullock cart. Are all the wheels of a bicycle or a bullock cart of the same radius? No, it could be different. So in the bullock cart you can have same radius, whereas in a cycle sometimes it might be different. Most cases it will be same only. So here it is, as they were same in most cases. Same in most of the cases. Have you seen, next we'll see, have you seen a tractor or a road roller? So this is a tractor, this is a road roller. Which is the biggest wheel you have ever seen? You would have seen biggest wheel in theme park, like this giant wheel. Are all wheels of a tractor and road roller of the same radius? No. See, here you can see the bigger one, here it is smaller one, here it is smaller one, and here it is bigger. No, all wheels of a tractor or road roller are not of the same radius. Their back wheels are bigger. See, you can check, this is back wheel, this is bigger, this is front wheel, this is smaller. Next, Lalli and Kali are tied to a pole with ropes. Kali has a longer rope. Who can look for more grass to eat? This is Kali, this is Lalli. So this is tied with a small rope, this is tied with a bigger one. So if the length of the rope is small, it can only make a circle here. It can gaze only this part of grass. Whereas this is a bigger one, so it can graze all around it. So it can go to a bigger circle. So this Kali will eat more grass. Next, Daljit's design. Daljit has made these designs using a compass. You can also take a compass and make these designs. Next, his sister came and started making more designs with them. Do you want to make such designs? To make such designs, you will need to use a compass. So this is or these are the some of the designs you can make with circle. Shall we all use a compass? Yes, I'll show you how to draw a circle using a compass. Next, you are going to see how to make a circle with radius 5 centimeter. This is a compass. You can see the screw. So loose the screw and you can insert the pencil. Make sure it is of the same point where the compass is. You can adjust the size of the pencil, so to make it equal to that of the compass, then measure the centimeter with ruler scale. Then mark a point center where you have to draw the circle. Then you can draw the circle with a compass. So try holding it properly. This is how you should make a circle with compass. So if that is not convenient with your right hand, you can use your left, so to make it a circle. So if it is a notebook, you can rotate the notebook to make it a circle. Next, we are going to mark the parts of it. The center point, that is O. Next, we are going to mark the radius. So from the center to the circumference of the circle is the radius. Draw a line, mark it as any alphabet. I'm going to mark it as A. The distance between OA is 5 centimeter, that is radius. You're going to write which is radius here and what is the measurement here. You have to mention it always. Then we shall draw the diameter. So the line segment joining the circumference point which passes through the center is diameter. Here I have marked as B. BA is diameter. The diameter length is 10 centimeter. So this outer point is a circumference and this small part on the circumference is arc. Similarly, you can take a compass and draw a circle and mark all the parts of the circle. So the center mark is already we saw, that is a O, that is the center. Is this circle better than the one you made earlier without a compass? Draw the radius of this circle and measure it. So previously we drawn with freehand. So you are going to see check the radius of the circle of both the circles. This is with freehand, this is with the compass. You are going to see which is better. Obviously the circle with drawn with so the circle drawn with the compass will be better. The radius you can measure and write it. Now you can also make your own designs like Daljit has made. So you can make some designs like this with a circle. Next, is it a circle? Naina was making a circle. See, this girl is Naina and she was making a circle with O as radius. Center. Somebody, Ravi, asked for eraser. She kept the compass and gave him an eraser. Then she started again to complete a circle. She got this. So when she was drawing, she used this point as center. When after giving the eraser, she thought that she made another center and started drawing a circle with another center. So she is getting a picture like this. Why did Naina get such a drawing? Naina got such a drawing as she changed the center of the circle Can a circle have more than one center? No, a circle cannot have more than one center. We already saw that a circle will have only one center. Another day, Naina was using a compass to make a circle, but it came out like this. So she was drawing a circle. Here she had only one point C, but she was not getting the circle properly. So for that, what you have to do? You have to tie the screw here. It might be loosened. So here you can see the picture. You have to tie this part. You will be getting this along with a compass. You can use this and tie the screw. So this you can use with the normal fingers, and this part, if you want, you can use this to tighten it. So find the center. So Sadik and Samina want to make circles for themselves. So this is Sadik and Samina. So Sadik made a circle with a compass, whereas Samina made a circle with bangle. They got two circles and they cut their circle with the help of scissors. They cut their circle. We all know that a circle made with a compass has center point, but this circle does not have center points. Can we all try how to make the center for the traced circle? Shall we see how to make a center for traced circle? Yes. Next, we are going to find the center which we trace. So here I have made a circle with a bangle and I have made a circle with a compass. Now we are going to cut the objects. So I am going to cut these, which one with made with bangle and one with made with compass. So we all know that compass has got the O center and we do not know the center of bangle. Shall we all try to find the center of this traced one? Yes. How to do is, first what you have to do is, you have to fold it like this, and then again one more time you have to fold it across. So fold it properly. So this center point, that is called as the center of the circle. So you're going to mark it and name it as O. So this point is a center point of the traced circle. So this is how you should find center for the traced objects. You can check. So this point is center. Next we are going to see balancing act. Can you balance a plate on your finger? So shall we all try this? You can check balancing a plate or any other material to use this balancing act. You can also try to balance a plate or a round lid on your finger. Where does it balance? So the center of the place is a place where we balance while trying on your fingers. Shall we do balancing act? Yes, you can take any cap or round lid. We can do this balancing act. To make a balancing act with any round object, you can also try holding it in the center. So this is interesting, isn't it? Yes. Next, spin the top. Here, 4 persons are there. Zakir, Apu, Naina, Gudu were getting bored. So they started to play a game. They took a cardboard and they traced a circle and they cut their circle. Then they made a hole and put a mastic on it. Everybody were excited to spin their tops. See, you can see the top of different persons. Zakir, Apu, Naina, Gudu. Shall we all try this spinning the top, and then we'll discuss this questions. Next we are going to make the spinning activity. I made 3 circles and I have also taken 3 matchsticks. I have inserted this matchstick in the circle. Now I am going to spin one by one. First I am going to spin this one. In this I have made this insertion in the corner, so it is not spinning properly. I am going to take the other one. This is also not spinning. Next I am going to take the other one. Here it is spinning. This is because the matchstick is inserted at the center. See here, Zakir, Appu, Naina, Gudu. We already saw that the one which is made hole in the center will spin most. Whose top will not spin at all? Zakis and Nainas, because they are made the hole in the corners. Whose top will spin a little? Guddu's top will spin a little. Whose top will spin the best? So Appu's will spin the best. In whose top is the stick nearest to the center? So Appu's top is nearest to the center. So here it is center O. It is nearest to the center. So that will spin the best. Make your own top. You can also make your own top and play this game. To make the top spin well, where will you make the hole? So we'll make the hole at the center to spin the top well. So in this chapter we did many activities to explain about circle. We saw what are the objects around us. We saw how to draw a circle with a compass. We saw how to find the center for the objects that we trace. We saw different activities in this chapter. Hope this video is useful and interesting. Thanks for watching.